Okay, so basically nothing. Once you go for ANSYS electronic desktop, it's a common platform where all the tools which I have listed, no? So all will be in a single platform here. Okay, once you go to ANSYS electronic desktop, I had upgraded my version to 2023, the latest 2 days before it got upgraded. So I'll give you the setup file also, so that you can upgrade in the
that's
system.
the licensed version, right, sir?
Yeah,
We cannot able to
if
run
you
the
are
licensed
within
version.
the network, college network,
But
Oh,
that up
this
to 5
college has
devices only, you told, no?
you
6
can
devices.
install and keep it. No.
At the time, 6 devices are not on now. You can use.
Who
But
is-
they
I
will
don't
create
know.
a problem out of us. If we use it in our laptop, no, they will like it did. Or if you
It
use
will not
that-
open actually without license.
No, like if you connect with the
Network.
SRM server,
Hmm.
we can use it actually.
No, that's after that is having 2022. Always license will be off. Again, I have to on it.
The license manager actually server we need
Okay.
to on it. So once you open it, you can see here this will be the overall ANSYS electronic desktop as a start. Okay, so then you can see once you go to project, you can see all the list of tools which I had mentioned here. So it starts from HFSS design, then 3D layout, Q3D extractor, 2D extractor, then circuit. This netlist is for 3D layout where PCB simulation circuit design when it is needed. We'll go with the circuit netlist.
Placed
Then
somewhere
EMIT.
and then- okay.
This will be disabled actually. This will showcase, but when you go for analysis, then you won't license error will shoot out here for these three tools: 3D Maxwell 3D 2D, RM Expert, Maxwell and Simplorer. Then ISPAC and mechanical design is common for both. So these are the list of tools. Other than that, which is not listed in this particular AEDT is one is Neuhertz filter, SI wave, and EMA 3D cable and charge. Those 4 tools are standalone tools.
So they will come separate.
Yeah, it will be separate. Once you install, it will be there in that bundle. Once you search it out here, you will get Neuhertz filter and the tools also. So installation will be common, but the tools will be like it won't be. It is not coupled with ANSYS electronic desktop. So once we started, we'll start with an basic HFSS design of MCAD model, and we'll explore what are the things which we have in HFSS. Okay. So first, I'll insert this HFSS design. Once I go to project and insert HFSS design, you can see you will be having a common layout here. So this is the project, and within this project you can include any kind of models here. Okay. So here I had included HFSS design, then the properties window, this one is, then the modular window. This is the layout which we are going to. In modular window, what it will represent is in which particular coordinate system it exactly is, and which particular plane it is currently present. It is now XY plane which is currently present, and a global coordinate we are using. If I want to go for relative coordinate system, okay, when we are going for smart city building, all these stuffs, we will be going for relative coordinate. For an example, if I say like this is the component library, again you can see here for automatic driving assistance systems we have static assets like building, like bus stops, all these things, whichever it is needed for building a smart city kind of thing, street lights, all will be included here. The same way vehicles also will be included here. So this is specifically for radar simulations. Okay, so that we'll be having, and other than that we have basic commercial antennas, which is already the commonly available antennas that will be present here. You can directly import, and you can just see what is the characteristics.
Then we
of
can
that
change
particular.
it, sir.
For changing it, you need to go for, this is a predefined model. You can see here ACT extension.
Okay.
So once you go into ACT extension, it's loading. There you can change it, the frequency and the length and width parameters. There you can see antenna toolkit model will be there here.
Okay.
So you can see this is the antenna toolkit model.
Okay.
In this you will be having, actually because of resolution it has been compressed.
Okay.
So you can see different types of antenna. Whatever the antennas which was there, it will be here. Once you click on
Example
this,
patch antenna.
for example, patch antenna, if you go,
Okay.
like, let's give it a sense. Here you can see that particular patch antenna model.
Okay.
Here you can edit it over.
Means we can change the size
Change
and all.
all these parameters. If you change it over here,
Okay.
it will be easily changed.
Okay.
Once you click on this particular project model, here in properties it will be displayed what are the dimensions of it.
Mhm.
You can change over or play around with these dimensions and you can edit it over your own frequency of interest.
Okay.
So this is one part. Let's close this. And in toolkit we have advanced one is 5G wizard where we say it as cumulative distributive function. It will showcase based on the coverage region, how much the coverage region will be. Once I place an antenna, once I build a 5G antenna, it will showcase what will be the coverage region of that particular antenna based on distance. It will be a kind of graph. It will be showing. That is one post processing which we do for 5G antennas. And then at last